Well, how many of you start doing anything, you plan to do anything, but you stop as soon as you take action? You stop simply because you don't feel motivated, or you fail initially and you think that it is not possible for me. And do you know why does it happen? Why does it happen with most of the people that when they start their business, or when they start the project that they are working on in any multinational organization, most of the time it happens that they are initially very high on motivation, they are initially very high on enthusiasm, they are very energetic when they start, but as they move on, as they take actions, and they tend to meet certain temporary defeat, and as soon as they meet those temporary defeat, they get bogged down, they simply fail, and they don't find the reason why they cannot continue. Now I'll share a quick story here. Once there was a research done in California where there was a small pond. It was a small fish tank, and the guy, the researcher, he put a big shark as well as there were few small bait fishes. The researcher put a white shark as well as some small bait fishes in the same water tank, and he wanted to see what would happen. So as you might have assumed, the shark swam across that tank and ate all of those fishes, because that was the shark's usual nature. Shark is meant to attack. Shark is meant to eat small fishes as it usually does in a sea. Then he moved on to another level of experiment. He basically put a fiberglass, a very hard metal sheet which was transparent, between the tank, and he divided the shark and the bait fishes in two parts. He put the shark on one side, and he put all those small bait fishes on the other side. And as the usual nature of the shark again attacked vehemently, but the shark met that fiberglass. It tried to attack multiple times, but every time she tried to attack, it met with that fiberglass, and it could not reach to the point where the shark was able to eat those bait fishes. The bait fishes comfortably swam around on the other side of the tank, and the shark tried it multiple times, but the shark failed. And after an hour, after those repeated attempts of attack, shark calmed down, and shark stopped attacking, stopped hitting its head on that white glass. And after an hour, the shark did not do anything. It just swam across on its own side. And eventually you will be surprised to know that the researcher picked that glass out of the tank and saw that all the small bait fishes swam across the tank, and shark did not even attack. Do you know why did it happen? It only happened because shark was made to believe that it cannot attack and it cannot eat those fishes. Shark's mind was conditioned in such a way she lost the self-belief. She met with certain temporary defeats, and it started to believe that attacking was not the natural way of shark. And the shark started to believe that it cannot attack anymore. It cannot hunt for the small fishes. The shark did not try even when the glass was removed from the tank. How many times it happens with all of us that we meet certain temporary defeat in our life, and if we meet multiple temporary defeat, we don't even try. We fail to take massive action. We stop ourselves from doing what we truly love only because we believe that there is no other way around. We believe that there is no way possible because we have failed multiple times. So I encourage you all that try to see what is on the other side of fear. Try to see what comes after multiple temporary defeat. Try to figure out, try to have a hawk eye view on what you really want to do. Even if you meet temporary defeat multiple times, it will not stop you achieving what you really want to achieve in your life. So I hope you really got the message today. In case if you have any questions or any feedback, I would love to hear from you. Please drop them in the comment section. So this is your friend Tausif Hassan signing off until we meet again. Have a fantastic day.